Hello students, we are going to continue working on PowerPoint presentations today, and we're going to be adding some special effects for our titles. So the first thing I need you to do is go to your folder and find your PowerPoint presentation to launch it. So down here in the taskbar I have a picture of a little folder. I'm going to click on that to open it. I know that my folder is in the Documents folder, so I'm going to click on Documents on the menu on the left. I'm going to find my folder. Here it is. I'm going to click twice to open my folder, and I'm going to look for my presentation, and here is mine. So I'm going to click on this 2 times to open it. PowerPoint is going to launch for me, and here's what I did last time. So far I have 2 slides. I have the first slide with my title and my name, and I have the second slide that starts saying who I am and what I like. Now on my opening slide, where I have used my title All About Me, I would like to make that look a little bit cooler, a little bit fancier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to where it says Insert, and I'm going to click on Word Art, and I'm going to choose one of these. And I can change these, I can change the color, so I think I'm going to go with this one. And it's going to open this box right in the middle of my slide where I can add my text. And I'm going to write about, which is my title, me, and my exclamation point. I'm going to temporarily move it out of the way so that I can see it, because right now it's in the middle of everything else there. So this is what I have. Now I want to edit this, and I have selected it. I can come up here. I'm in the Format tab, and I'll come up here where it says Text Fill. Here I can change the color, and I'll make it this nice orange. Then I can add an outline, but I don't really want to do that. The outline would be a line around the letters like this red one. I don't really want to do that. So I'm going to skip that, but I'm going to go play with the text effects. I'm going to add a shadow, and I like this shadow here, so I'm going to go with this one. It already has a reflection, so I don't think I'm going to add another one. It doesn't look, maybe I can change, and maybe I can go with this one. And I don't want to make it glow. I can make it glow, and here's what it would look like, but I don't really want to do that on mine. I will use the bevel, which will make it look like it's 3-dimensional. It will be popping out of my page, and I'm going to go with this one. I like this one. And then I'm not going to rotate. I can rotate it. Actually, I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to transform it. I'm going to make it look like this. Okay, so here's my title now. I've made it look a little different. I can get rid of the other one that I had there. I can move it away. Bring my own title, the one that I made, and it looks really cool. I really like it. I can make it bigger if I want. If I select it and go to the Home tab and change the size from 54, I think I'm going to make it 96, so it looks a little bigger. This one here, if I want to keep this one, just like we did with Microsoft Word, we can edit the font size, the font type from here. We can edit the size of it. We can change the color if we want. But I think I'm going to stick with the other one that I made, and I'm going to get rid of that. And I know I have this one because it comes with my template. I'll get rid of that one as well. So I have this title now. It looks a little bit better than the other one, I think. Maybe not. And that's as far as we're going to go today. Do not forget to save your work. So you're going to go to File, hit Save. You don't need to choose the location again because you already have done that. So you don't need to do Save As. All you need to do is save, and it will save your file exactly where it was. It will replace the previous one that you had there. Okay, so that's all we're going to do today, and now it's your turn to give it a try.